Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home.
Hey everyone, welcome to DeFi Digest. Today we're talking about a new tax rule that's got the DeFi industry in a twist. Amanda Tuminelli, Chief Legal Officer at the DeFi Education Fund, has been warning about this rule for quite some time now. So, what's going on? Well, the IRS just finalized a new tax reporting rule for DeFi industry participants, and it's argued to be too broad to be considered a broker under the statutory definition. That sounds confusing, right? Let me break it down for you. According to Amanda, the statutory definition of a broker is someone who, for consideration for money, effectuates transfers of digital assets on behalf of another person. But when it comes to DeFi, nobody does that. Users direct their own transactions, and they're not relying on anyone else to facilitate those transactions. However, the IRS has taken a different approach. They're saying that front-end services, which don't take custody of funds but assist users in completing transactions, should be classified as brokers. Amanda's got some serious concerns about this. She says the IRS is broadening the definition beyond the statute by including any service that facilitates a transaction, even if they don't directly handle user data. That's where things get really interesting. The new rule was intended to be implemented in 2025, but it's expected to go into effect in January 2027. And let me tell you, Amanda's not holding her breath for the IRS's interpretation of this definition. She thinks it's a huge broadening beyond what the statute says. But here's the thing. With an incoming pro-crypto administration, there might be some pushback or even rollback of this rule. Congress can review the rule under the Congressional Review Act and disapprove of it, ensuring it doesn't have any effect before the deadline. And with President Trump on board, who knows what changes we might see. Another significant factor is the appointment of Paul Atkins, who's expected to take over as SEC chair. Amanda thinks there's going to be a shift in attitude towards crypto, and maybe even some more favorable settlements or clearer rules for crypto businesses. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what does this mean for me? Well, it means that the DeFi industry is about to get a whole lot more interesting. And Amanda Tuminelli's got her finger on the pulse of what's going on. In conclusion, the new tax rule is causing quite the stir in the DeFi community. With its broad definition and expected implementation date, it's got everyone wondering what's next. But one thing's for sure. With Amanda Tuminelli watching over us, we'll be keeping a close eye on this story and bringing you all the updates. Thanks for tuning in to DeFi Digest. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto news and analysis.